Tom Jones tickets go on sale this morning, and here's how you can get your hands on a pair. The Welsh legend added 2 more dates to his tour this week, and will be performing at Longleat and Blickering Estate later this summer. 1. Tom Jones has added 2 new datesCredit, Redferns. If you click on a link in this story, we may earn affiliate revenue. Get tickets to Tom Jones, click here. The Welsh singing sensation has announced 2 shows this summer, at Longleat Estate and Blickering Estate, and tickets will go on sale this morning. These stunning gigs will join an already announced string of dates running from June to August. Tickets for the 2 new dates will go on sale February 25th at 10 a.m., and you can get tickets from AXS here. All original dates are available from Ticketmaster and AXS here. The Blickering Estate show will take place on June 23rd, and Longleat Estate will take place on July 9th. Tom Jones 2022 UK Tour dates. 15 June, live at Chelsea, click here. 17th of June, Principality Stadium, Cardiff, click here. 18 June, Principality Stadium, Cardiff, click here. 23 June, Blickering Estate new date, click here. 8 July, Henley-on-Thames Festival, click here. 9 July, Longleat Estate new date, click here. 10 July, The Peace Hall, Halifax, click here. 24 July, Bits Park, Carlisle, click here. 26 July, Scarborough Open Air Theatre, click here. 10 August, Princes Street Gardens, Edinburgh, click here. 11 August, Princes Street Gardens, Edinburgh, click here. 13 August, The Pitchcroft, Worcester Park, click here. 14 August, Audley End House and Gardens, Essex, click here. View this post on Instagram. A post shared by Sir Tom Jones, at @RayalSirTomJones. The 81-year-old crooner released latest album Surrounded by Time last April, where it shot straight to #1 on the official UK albums chart. Has now taking that tour on the road post-pandemic, with a number of festival shows including Henley Festival and Heritage Live at Audley Festival. Tickets for these huge gigs are on sale now, but you'll need to be fast as they are sure to sell out. In other gig news, Elbow will be playing a huge gig in Essex this summer. Oasis fan? Here's how to get tickets for Noel Gallagher's gig in Margate's Dreamland in June. And if you're enjoying the TV show, don't miss Adam Kay's This Is Going to Hurt More live tour. Want to find more savings on your online shopping? Then head to Sun Vouchers, where you can get discounts and voucher codes on hundreds of top retailers including B&Q, Boots, Iceland, Look Fantastic, Dunelm, Adidas and more.